Okay, in this video what I'll be showing you how to do is set up your own radio show on Blog Talk Radio. And we'll start here at my homepage, which is Kevin and the Giant Peach at kjmasta.com. First thing I want to recommend that you do is you go to Amazon.com or any other place that you can get a Logitech headphone, something that looks like this, with a USB plug-in. So you can plug it right into your computer, and you can talk. You can use it to call your show essentially and talk and do your show using a headset and plug in the USB port. So after doing that, after you get your headphone, then go into blogtalkradio.com, register button. What you want to do is come down, wait for the registration page. You'll enter your username. I'm going to call mine Masta K because I already have the other one. kjmasta at yahoo.com. Confirm email. kjmasta at yahoo.com. Here's a password. Confirm password. I don't know what my password is. I think it is. I'll just enter it in twice. Okay, 3795. You want to set the time zone to wherever you are, wherever you're going to be recording the show. Enter your birth date, month, day. Now that you see what my birth date is, I expect a birthday card every year from you. Create my own show. And what's going to happen is they're going to send you an email asking you to confirm your show, that you've asked for a show. So once you do that, I'm not going to do that right now, but once you do that, you can come in back to the Blog Talk Radio page, blogtalkradio.com. Come back here and sign in. Okay, you're going to sign in. Entering your username and password. And here you go. You're back to the home page, but now you'll notice that it'll have a little hello, Kevin Masta, in your case your name up here, and you'll have a button here that says My Blog Talk Radio. You're going to go here, click on that. It's going to take you to another menu that's going to explain what's been going on with your account. You can see that my shows have had 92,402 shows, 4921 profile views, all that good stuff. To add an episode, all you're going to do is you're going to go add episode, come up with a title, put a little description in here. You can actually have HTML links to other websites, enter your keywords, and we'll do that now in a moment here, but I want us to write up what you want in the promo box and then just copy and paste it in here so you can include all that code. Okay, I'm going to copy all that stuff and I'm going to go into upcoming episodes, or so we're going to call this test episode with Samantha Gardner, who is my guest next week. I'm going to paste all that stuff you just saw me copy from the other site, from the other page a moment ago. Enter keywords, Samantha Gardner, she's my guest. Renegade Professional, which is one of the programs she represents. We're going to say Kevin Masta. It's a good idea to have your name in there in the tags. Kevin and the Giant Peach, and we'll put in Mompreneur. That's what Samantha called herself. So just pick up some keywords which best represents your show. Business, everyone. We're going to schedule it for 60 minutes. Scroll down a little bit, and we pick a time. I'm doing my show at 9 p.m. on Thursday, so we're going to say 9 p.m. Eastern Time. Make sure it's going to give you the time zone that you're looking for. 9 p.m. Eastern Time on let's say Friday the 9th. I do mine on Thursdays, but for this, I'm going to delete this in a moment. Anyway, you can upload files for your for music. So I have this automatically. I have a startup file, show intro, that comes on here. And I'll show you where you can upload your music a little bit later. But anyway, you hit submit, and boom, the show is scheduled. You can see that this one's going to happen Thursday. 3:18, and I think I scheduled her for. Yeah, it may take a minute or two to come up here. Oh yeah, test episode with Samantha. So you'll see that's here. I'm going to delete that for now. You can always delete, edit, and change things on the fly. I'm going to show you the actual show page, though, for the show that I scheduled for this Thursday, the 18th, with Samantha Gardner. So I open that up, and boom, you can see all the information. And by the way, this is the number that Samantha's going to call in as my guest. She's also, you can also have them, if you use Skype to call in, they can call you on Skype, or you can call them on Skype, and you can carry on the show with your guests talking through Skype, and the Blog Talk Radio will pick it up. So we're going to go back over here to my Blog Talk Radio. I want to show you quick upload music. My content. Oh, sorry, that's friends and stuff. Add a file. So if you want to add a file, all you do is you type in the file description, show intro, like I did, with the volume you want it to have play when it comes on, and then you can set it as your startup audio file. You don't want to do that here, but when you're ready to, you do that. Select your file, go right up here and browse through your folders and upload your music. And then you have music that you can use in the show. And I'll show you where those files show up in the actual show page when I get there in a moment. So in the meantime, we're going to go, I'm going to go up here, pause this. Okay, now, you're looking at my audio file. I can switch that on. Okay, now that we've done the uploaded some music, I'm going to take you into you click on my BTR here, go back over to this page. You're going to look at your switchboard, and this is what you're going to do when you host the show. This is what you're going to see. When you dial in to the number, the host page, you're going to dial in using this number right over here. Right over here is where you're going to use what you're going to use right here. And at that point, you're going to call in. You're going to come up here, and you're going to see your name or your phone number right here. And it's going to, in your headset, you're going to hear how long before the show starts. You'll have reminders right up, counting down to 5 seconds into the show. And then all of a sudden, whatever you set for your music, there's a button, it's going to come up, it's going to start playing automatically after the Blog Talk Radio introduction. Your music's going to start, and you're live then. At that point, it's streaming, and the show is being recorded. So I'm going to